To change what's displayed on the products page, first you want to go over to products, and then you're going to need to click this cog in the top right corner. This will allow you to configure what is displayed on the screen, as there is a drop down box for every section that is displayed. You'll probably want to keep the product so you know what you're changing, and then you can adjust all the others, and there's so many options here you could literally do almost anything. One example for how this can make something easier for you is by doing allergens, as there's quite a lot of options and it's going to be different for every product. So range programming wouldn't work, and clicking on each product individually would take a lot of time. So here you can just set up all your allergens, then once you're done, click save, and all you'll need to do is tick the boxes for the allergens for each product. This is just one example of a potential way you could use this cog to make your life easier, but there are many different options you can choose on it just to make things go a bit quicker. And as usual, when doing anything, just make sure to save the changes.